My tailgate's a little sticky. This part here there's a spring on it, and it should spring up, but it's hanging up. So I'm going to lubricate it with some WD-40 Specialist water resistant silicone lubricant, multi-surface, quick dry, and prevents against rust. And it's safe to use in all metals and non-metal surfaces, including rubber, plastic, and vinyl. Dries fast and leaves a clear, non-staining film without stickiness or messy residue. Safe for temperature range between -100 and 500. That's good. So I put on some goggles. Spray some of this in here, right on the pin where it pivots. And I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to open and close the tailgate a few times. That seems much better. I'm going to check that other side. Yeah, this catch now springs right back up where before it was hanging up. So that's awesome. If those side catches didn't do it, I would take the handle apart. Inside there's actually screws on the other side of the tailgate. I'll show you, but take that apart, take this apart, and then lubricate anything moving parts inside of here. And there's the bolts. I think this one is for the lock, and then try that one first and take that out and see if I can see any of the mechanism and lubricate those. And then if need be, maybe take these out. Have to see once you get into that. I'm just going to put some lubricant down here where the tailgate hinges on. There's a little bit of corrosion rust on there. And I'll do the same to the other side. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.